since when did you start the DNA testing? Of
Started,
163 bones, according
Opo.
to you.
started July 10, then naka-receive na po kami. Up to now po, nagkakaroon pa rin po kami ng examination, DNA examination.
Yeah. But what did you say about the number of days?
7 to 8 days po yung
You're supposed to
process.
have a result already.
Yes, ma'am. May result po na...
How come it's August already?
Ma'am, actually, yung August po ay hindi pa po lahat kumpleto.
Yeah,
Meron
but
pa po tayong...
with regards to the 163 human bones, syempre examine nyo yan separately, di ba? You
Yes.
cannot examine them all together.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
it started on July 7,
July
some-
10.
is it July 7?
10 po, 10.
July 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is August already.
Yes po.
And you said 7 to 8 days. So, dapat kahit papano may resulta na tayo.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, may result na po tayo, ma'am.
How many months to the 34 missing sabongeros?
Actually, ma'am, we could not consider
Disclose.
the number of months, ma'am. Kasi yung as of now, we only have about 29 samples from the relatives. So meaning to say, yung mga relatives itong 34 missing sabongero po ay 29 lang po nag-submit ng kanilang sample.
So that 34 missing sabongeros is now represented for purposes of DNA by 29 relatives
Yes po.
who have submitted their specimen.
Yes po.
Out of the 29 relatives, may nag-match na po ba?
So far, ma'am, wala pa pong nagmamatch.
But
Dun sa-
are there results already from the
meron pa po
163
tayong
human
ongoing, ma'am.
bones?
Meron pa po tayong ongoing.
No, please answer the question. May resulta na hubang lumabas out of the 163 human bones?
Yes po, ma'am. Nakakompleto na po tayo, ma'am, ng 45. Then, out of that, viable, kumbaga yung viable, ma'am, na pwedeng makunan ng DNA result. Yung 85 na po yun na viable is 45 po ang natapos. Then, mayroon pa po undergoing, ongoing, not 40.
Okay. Dun po
Opo.
sa 45,
Yes, ma'am.
according to you, tapos na, may
Yes.
nag-match po ba with the 29 relatives
So
of the
far,
34 missing sabongeros?
wala po, ma'am.